Trigger! Grabe, paano yun?
Paalog.
Ganun pala.
Paalog this New Year.
Paalog, tama ka dyan. Okay, marami pa tayong chichikahan. Siyempre, kasama sa the one, the only, Nelson Canlas, and of course, Chef Miggy by his side. Ibang klase talaga. Okay, so usapang chikahan, eto na. Sir Nelson, when a story lands on your table, okay, ano yung unang pumapasok sa isip mo? Paano ka nagde-decide na ito ibabalita ko or ito ang hindi ko ibabalita? How do you decide?
Okay.
Okay.
Oo nga,
Example.
that's a very interesting
Diba?
question. Kasi, siyempre, araw-araw, di ba, may dumarating sa yung mga info, mga balita, ganyan na, hindi balita, mga info about celebrities, no? So, meron kaming parang certain group who bets it na parang, ano to, gawin natin to, this is very interesting, magandang panoorin ito ng mga tao. So, yun, doon kami nagdedebate. Kasi minsan, gusto kong gawin, tapos, hindi yan interesting, or nagawa na yan before, or something like that. Or hindi totoo yan. Ganon. So, dumadaan yan sa proseso. So, kami, yung part na yun, that crucial part of the day, wherein maraming tao yung nagde-decide kung if it makes it to the news, yun yung pinaka-center nung day ko. So parang there's a conference of sorts.
Okay, so pinag-uusapan talaga siya. Tapos may
Yes.
betting,
Yes.
like ano
Kasi
talaga.
akala ng mga tao, ng mga manonood, yung napapanood nila sa news, parang bigla na lang siya lumalabas or I'm in total control of it. Hindi nila alam, behind me, kasi ako lang yung face ng news na nilalabas ko eh. Ako kasing voice over, ako yung nag interview pero behind me, meron ng mga taong nag-decide na lalabas talaga siya sa news. So, hindi lang ako yun. There's a whole village
Yeah.
that decides kung if it makes it to 24 Oras or any other news programs of GMA.
Grabe. So pag you made it pala sa 24 Oras
Yes.
News, wait lang, I made it.
Oo, alam.
Everybody's been talking about it.
Totoo yan. That's the goal.
Oo.
Nung pumasok ako sa GMA, sabi ko talaga, masasabi ko lang, I've made it hindi sa show. Pag na-interview ako ni Nelson Canlas.
Ah! Diba?
Actually, I think I also have a question in line with that. Kasi diba po, like harping back on what you said earlier about your boss being the mga manonood. Like, how do you draw the line, or where do you draw the line between what's public interest
Yes.
and what's invasion of privacy?
Yeah.
Oh.
Ganda.
Ganda nun.
Oo.
Bernie,
Ang
oh.
Miss Universe.
Parang ano yun.
Ang Miss Universe yun
Kasi I'm sure ang madami pong information that arrives. Yun
Yes.
nga, as multiple stories land at your table. So like, how do you discern? Ano ba yung...
Oh, kasi 'di ba minsan hinihingi ng tao kasi na ba't wala tayong news about Cheska, wala tayong news about Thea, wala tayong news about Mark, parang ganon. Hinihingi ng mga viewers yan minsan kasi we see them on the social media pages of GMA. So, minsan kasi paano ba? Magandang tignan din yung part na nag-ano kami, like what I said kanina, nagbe-vet kami kung ano yung what makes it to the news and such. Hindi lahat ilalabas mo. Hindi lahat hindi lahat pwedeng ilabas, hindi lahat pwedeng i-push. So, pero yung sa part naman na ano yung, alam mo, nakausap mo na yung celebrity, 'di ba? Ano ba yung magandang ilabas and paano ba yung invasion na siya of privacy. Diyan pumapasok again yung relationship ko with the celebrity.
Yeah.
Na parang, lalo na pag sensitive
Yeah.
yung information or sensitive yung interview, sabihin mo na sa kanya, natatanungin kita tungkol dito and you cannot stop me. So, it's up to you how you're going to answer it.
Yeah.
Kasi I don't like, personally ako as a reporter, I don't like yung, can you give me the questions first? Parang,
Okay.
wait,
Oh.
magbibigay akong questions pero hindi yan yung questions ko. Parang gano'n. So, yeah. I mean,
Got
people
you.
know that I'm so notorious pagdating sa ganyan. Like, pinagbibigyan ko yung mga, alimbawa, junket na international, gano'n. Kasi parang, yun lang naman ang pwede nilang pag-usapan. Saka there's not much we know about their real lives.
Yeah.
Di ba? Pero yung mga dito, like example, mas deeper yung relationship natin with celebrities na Filipinos.
Yeah,
And
totoo.
kaya, in saying that, mas may alam ako sa'yo, ganon. So, pag hindi sensitive, tinatanong ko kagad. Pag sensitive, I don't wanna intrude, but ito yung lumabas. Or ito yung information na nakuha ko. So, would you like to answer that? And, di ba, if you don't want to answer it, I respect that, pero ilalabas ko na hindi mo sinagot.
Ah,
And I don't know, maybe you've
give
seen...
and take, ganon.
Oo, kasi, di ba, there is a reason kung bakit hindi mo siya sinagot. And I respect that.
Yeah.
Because naniniwala ako, sasagutin mo rin naman siya at some point. Eh.
Naniniwala din ako na there is a reason kung bakit tinanong yun ni Sir Nelson.
Yeah.
Oo, kasi ay, nakarating sa akin.
Oo,
Di ba?
totoo.
Hindi
You're-
naman din na ako mag-iimbento.
Yeah.
Di ba? I mean, I'm too tired para mag-imbento.
True.
So, sabihin ko na lang sa'yo.
Your job as the journalist is to ask the question.
To ask the
Yeah.
questions. And you have to ask the important questions.
Yeah.
You have to personally ako, 'di ba, I know a lot of celebrities, parang ang feeling nila nagre-revalida sila pag tinatanong ko eh. Parang ang feeling nila parang nagde-depend ang thesis. Kasi talaga I really like pushing them.
Yeah.
Kasi pinasok niyo yung trabahong yan eh. Na parang mas maganda na lalo na pag may magandang angulo or interesting angle sa'yo, sagutin mo ng tama. Nasa sayo na yan kung paano mo sasagutin. Pero kasi ako, hindi ko pipigilan yung sarili kong magtanong. Yun ang trabaho ko eh. Diba?
Totoo.
Yeah.
Eto, may mga instances na ba na wherein you knew that this certain topic about a celebrity would be trending, pero you decided not to just put it out there? Was there a time, for some reason?
Kung meron man, bihira.
Okay.
Kasi like what I said, 'di ba? Yung evolution, sumasabay kami doon eh. Ako
Yeah.
personally sumasabay ako doon. So alam ko parang yung sinabi ni Alden magte-trend ito.
Yeah.
Or yung sinabi ni Alden sa interview ko magte-trend ito for sure. And it does.
Yeah.
Or alimbawa yung interview ko kay Marian, magte-trend ito in 2 days. And most of the time, nangyayari siya talaga. Kasi nagkakaroon ka ng pulso.
Yeah.
So, that's why, instead of yung, babalikan ko yung sinabi kanina, na viewer yung boss natin, kailangan din kasi minsan i-educate mo sila. Kasi sometimes they do not know kung ano yung i-consume nila. And responsibility mo rin na mag-educate.
Yeah.
Yes.
Na parang, okay, boss kita, pero sasabihin ko rin sa'yo kung ano yung maganda.